So is this the best accessory you can buy for your Insta360 GO3 or GO3S? I've just done a full review on the GO3S. It's released about 4 weeks ago now. If you want to check it out, it'll be up here. But this is the wind muff for the camera, because it's probably its one limitation. The fact you can't actually plug in an external audio to this camera is the one thing that lets it down. Apart from that, this is probably one of the best action stroke vlog cameras you can buy on the market at the moment. It's fantastic now they've added 4K. It really is good. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to play a couple of clips for you, one without the wind muff on and one with, and you can see the difference in the audio and let you know if it is actually worth buying this accessory or not. So here we go, I'll play those clips for you now. It's quite windy today, a bit blustery out today. Yeah, nice day, but yeah, summer, the wind's here. I think they've got sort of bad weather, hurricanes over the Caribbean. We get a lot of wind blowing around the trees and everything. It's quite windy today, a bit blustery out today. Yeah, nice day, but yeah, summer, the wind's here. I think they've got sort of bad weather, hurricanes over the Caribbean. We get on the tail end of it, I think. So you can hear the wind blowing around the trees and everything. Microphone test with wind. Does it make a difference compared to no wind muff on the GO3? Let me know in the comments down below. Microphone test with wind. Does it make a difference compared to no wind muff on the GO3? Let me know in the comments down below. So there is a notable difference, that's one thing I will say. It doesn't totally negate the wind noise. Bear in mind it was a very, very windy day. We're having gusts up to 30 miles an hour. So, you know, those are sort of the extremes you can expect from when you're using a camera like this. Yeah, it hasn't got the ability to plug in an external audio source, but it does have great audio, I think, this camera. There's no doubt about that. This camera really does have exceptional audio input. You've got the microphone on the top there, and then you've got the microphone there, which is where the wing cover is actually covering it. So it does make a difference. You can see on the waveforms on my editing software with your own eyes that it does reduce those wind noise levels, brings it down, stops those gusts blowing into the microphone that really does make for an unpleasant experience when you're listening to audio. So it does make a difference. The one thing I will say, if they made it from like a material like this from Rycote, I've had some of these in the past, and I've used them on bigger cameras. So they come in the pack with like this, and then you get this kind of material, which will make more of a difference to the audio. So if they made it from some this, instead of like a foam, and they can make it shorter, like a longer hair material, that would probably make it even better. But the fact that you get 4 in the box with the stickers, they stick on there nice and strong, it does make a big difference to the audio, and you can actually physically see it in the waveforms on the editing software. So that's what I do like about it. Anyway, great accessory, worth, I think they were $9.99 in the UK. I'll drop a link in the description if you want to check them out. But it's a well worth accessory because it does improve the audio of this otherwise fantastic little vlog action camera. Okay, stay tuned, make sure you do subscribe, because I'm doing other stuff on the GO3 and other action cameras if you're into that kind of stuff. And if you like these kind of videos, check out this video here, and you might like this one over here. I'll see you on the next one though, guys. Bye.